Hi everyone, we are at a resort in Sakleshpur which is called Rosetta by Ferns. It's a 100-acre property with lot of coffee plantations, and you just keep just walking around the property. It's so huge. We booked a 3-day 2-night stay. In this video we will cover a quick property tour and also share our experience at Rosetta. So that was the main entrance, and as soon as you enter the property, you just get to see coffee plantations all around. We reached the reception and completed the check-in formalities. And from there, the buggy was ready to take us to our suite. So this is going to be our stay for the next 3 days. The room tour will be covered as part of a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Let me tell you something about the property itself. So as I said before, it's a 100-acre property. So it's like it's full of coffee plantations. So they do take you on a tour. Like evenings, there's a nature walk, so you can actually go and check out the entire place. It's not that you need to walk around the property. They have buggy service. So you just call the reception and the buggy is at your doorstep in just like 1 or 2 minutes. And then or other services. So there's a swimming pool, there's a spa, sauna, and then there's actually a lake or a pond there. A pond there that you can actually feed the fish. So that's also a good one for the kids. And there's a jogging track, but otherwise you can just keep walking around the property also for your morning walk. And when it comes to the pool, there's also a mini bar beside it, so you can actually spend your evening there, just chill out, have your drink, and just sit and relax. And when it comes to the food, they have 3 restaurants. So one is a multi-cuisine restaurant, and the second is purely veg. There they also serve the high tea in the evening, and the third one is for the Indian cuisine. So it's 3 restaurants there. And most importantly, the breakfast and lunch is included in the package, so you can have unlimited buffet, and it's just for the dinner that you have to pay. Yeah, so that's on the property. So you need to really come and explore and experience this place. It's just like amidst nature, very calm, serene. It's really nice. Once we settled down, we just headed over to the restaurant to have some lunch because we were really hungry. So we are at Theatre, the multi-cuisine restaurant that I was speaking about earlier. It was buffet lunch and they had a massive spread, I must say. They also had a plethora of desserts. The restaurant is quite huge and can accommodate a pretty big crowd. And the views are simply amazing. Post lunch, we headed back to our room to get some rest and then stepped out only in the evening. It had rained for some time. We just took a stroll and then took a buggy to head to the Theatre restaurant again for dinner. Dinner was a la carte and we kept it light. The crowd was also less at this time. Post dinner, we headed towards the pool to explore the pool area and also the surroundings. The weather is pleasant because it had rained in the evening. We walked back to our suite and were just mesmerized with these amazing views, and the lights were just adding to the beauty. After a good night's sleep, we decided to go on an early morning walk the next day. It feels so nice and relaxing to walk amidst greenery, the bright sunlight, and also the sounds from the chirping birds. We just kept walking and exploring each and every nook of the property. Rosetta also has these hut-shaped stays which look pretty interesting. Once we were done with our morning walk, we freshened up and then headed to the restaurant for the breakfast. Again, the spread was huge and the food was delicious. Post the rain last night, the temperatures have gone up today, but then we could not just stop ourselves from exploring this beautiful property. They have a chapel as well, so let's see if it's open. We'll just visit. That's the chapel. It says it's Chapel of Saint Rosetta, for where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there I am in the midst of them. It is so very peaceful. We spent some time over here. And then back for lunch. The lunch was again buffet at the theatre restaurant, and in the evening we planned to go down to the other restaurants as well to explore those places. Chicken tikka, some salad, and smart some chicken mix, and the chicken egg soup, some butter roti, and many more to come. Post lunch, we got some rest and then headed for the high tea. So now we are at the Amidst restaurant, which is the pure veg restaurant which also serves the high tea. It was a pretty cool place, and they had also arranged some snacks along with the tea and coffee. We're done with the high tea, so planning to take a stroll again. The weather is absolutely pleasant and we experienced some light showers as well. This is the pond that I was speaking about, where you can actually feed some fish. There are also some ducks out there. There's also some space for the indoor games beside the pool. We just went to check that out. The pool also has a bar beside it where you can order your favorite drink and just sit and relax. For dinner, we went to their third restaurant, which is called the Merchants of Spice, which is purely Indian cuisine. This place looks absolutely beautiful and I love the vibes here. We ordered some starters and some biryani and it was really good. We also made friends with one of the staff at the restaurant who was really polite and was coming up to us and checking on the food, asking about our experiences and so on. So yeah, that's how we spent our day 2. It's day 3 and we headed out for an early morning walk. We spotted these cute rabbits in a nest. Those were like really friendly. I spent some time playing with them. We uncovered many other spots which we could not cover yesterday. We also spotted some ripe coffee bean. And that's the view of the pond in the morning. Finally, it is time to say goodbye to Rosetta. We had breakfast and then checked out from the room and the buggy came to pick us up. Back to the reception and the staff also showed us some merchandise that they have put up for sale at their store. Done with the checkout formalities, and the only feeling that we left with is that we had a pleasant stay at Rosetta and we would love to come back again. If you like this video, do share your feedback in the comment section below. And stay tuned for the upcoming video on the Rosetta room tour.